In this video, we're going over some awesome cases for the iPhone 11. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today, we're going over some really awesome cases for the iPhone 11. For those of you that have the iPhone 11, just got it, and need to accessorize it properly, check out these 4 cases from a company called LAUT. We're going to show off these great cases, and stay tuned to the very end of the video. We're going to give you a chance to win one of these cases, so stay tuned to the end to get the full details for that. Case number 1 is the Floral Crystal case. Now this is a beautiful clear case with a really strong bumper around the edge of it. Shows off the color of the phone great, and some important specs to note about it. It is shock resistant, and they have drop tested it up to 13 feet 4 millimeters, so it definitely takes a hit, and it still has that nice, beautiful, and elegant design. Case number 2 is called the EXO Frame Case. Also has a clear backing so you can see through to the color of the phone, and it has an aluminum frame, very strong, very durable, and it really feels super solid in the hand. So gives an interesting feel in the front. You've got that metal look, and on the back, again, it shines through. So elegant, simple, but again, very strong and able to take a hit. Does have an anti-scratch resistance on the back, so this will make sure that your phone won't get scratched easy, and it's a lightweight hybrid case for the iPhone. Case number 3 is the Crystal Matters case. Now this case looks very similar to the second case, although the difference is it does not have an aluminum edge. It actually has a rubber edge, and this case actually has been drop tested up to 20 feet 6 meters. So this one can actually take an even stronger drop than the first 2 cases, and it's got a softer, more rubbery feel on the edges here. So different feel, again, depends on what you're looking for, but still elegant, still beautiful, still has the clear back that allows your color of the phone to shine through. And for those of you that tend to have your phone take a little drop here and there, this is definitely a great one to consider. And finally, we have case number 4 here, which is the Inflight Case, which is the most stylish of the 4 cases. Does come in different colors, has card storage so you can store a credit card, driver's license, or even cash. Has vegan leather on the back, and just a nice, beautiful, elegant design, soft kind of carpety feel around here. Doesn't have as high a drop test rating as the other cases, but still has a very durable design and is impact resistant. So you can still, you know, drop it here and there, you know, but again, if you're not really a dropper, I'd say this is probably the case you want to consider. And if you're more into the style and the aesthetic, then this is the case for you. So this has been our video here, 4 awesome cases for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Max. We will leave a link in the description below if you like any of these cases and you want to pick one up. And we did mention at the beginning of the video that we had some fun for you if you stay tuned to the very end, and that is we're going to be giving away each one of these cases to lucky commenters. So here's what you have to do. The first thing was to watch the video all the way through, which you've done. The second thing is we want you to like the video. Third, we want you to leave a comment. Let us know which case is your favorite. And number 4, go watch one of our other videos. That's it. And that will enter you into the drawing, and 4 winners will win one of these 4 cases. So jump right on that, leave that comment, and again, we'll have the link in the description in case you want to get one of these. And good luck to all you guys. Like the video, favorite, share it if it was helpful. Stay tuned, and thank you to our partners at LAUT for sending us these cases to check out. Take care and have a good one.